अस्सलामुअलैकुम। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम पंजाब इन्फोर्समेंट एंड रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी पीरा ईओ एंड आईओ कंप्लीट पेपर हेल्ड ऑन जो 15/3/2026 को हुआ था, इसके एमसीक्यूज को डिस्कस करेंगे। पार्ट 2 को डिस्कस करेंगे। कट द मस्टर्ड मीन्स टू सक्सीड अ वुमन हुज हस्बैंड इज डाइड। Widow. Antonym of deride: applaud, admire. Antonym of peak: south. Let you and dash go to me. Main goal of British colonial in Punjab: exploitation of sources. E-construction app is used for building permits. Which technology is used for text generated responses in ChatGPT? Deep learning. Which app is used for visa license service? E-Khidmat app. Article 11 of Constitution 1973 is for slavery. Forced labor prohibited. Meeting of the board at least one in every 3 months under the Companies Act 2013. The board of directors must hold at least one meeting in quarter. Record of evidence must be submitted before judge on affidavit. Who is the secretary of the Pira Authority? Captain Farooq Atiq Khan, DG Pira. Appointment of DG Pira, who shall be an officer of basic scale, BPS 19, who can send recreations under Pira Act. Subdivisional Enforcement Officer, SDEO. Company made violation by workers, the owner would be considered offender until he proves to be not involved. Summary trial purpose is to proceed cases speedily. Special magistrate can try cases under the Holding Act, through which section 14 Article 9A of Constitution is for environment protection. Article 1751 deal with establishment of Islamabad High Court. Article 24 does not apply to be enemy property in own state. Special meeting of DERB convened by District Enforcement and Regulatory Board chairperson or on the request of any member. GIS in Pira stands for Geographical Interface System. Enforcement officer appointed by authority. If a milk company involved in price hike, then who will be responsible for offense? Everyone is offender until provided his innocence. Arrested person must be produced before magistrate within 24 hours. Authority may confer additional power to EO, IO, SDEO, EO, IO. What is meant by schedule in PIRA? Schedule appended to the rules, specifically the PIRA Operations and Procedures Rules 2025. Prohibition of enforcement is under which section? 37. Bar of jurisdiction under PIRA Act. Court specified for this act. PIRA is an act to provide for the establishment of PIRA and prescribe procedure for efficient and effective implementation of special laws, only laws specified by authority. If injured person has died under police custody, then the report of medical officer shall be considered as dash before magistrate. Evidence of statement. After the trial of the case, magistrate forward a copy who? Session judge. Special revision of record of right under which section of PLRA 1967? Section 40. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.